Today we need to open Cliff Jumper. And we have Cliff Jumper. Kind of hard. Sometimes I get excited for Transformers. There we have Cliff Jumper. Let's open him. But you see, Cliff Jumper is so small. It's kind of small. Then we have Bumblebee. Come this one. Yeah, we have Bumblebee. Just thinking how we have to transform it. What I saw from a video that. So guys, here's Cliff Jumper. It's so cool. And here is Bumblebee compared to Cliff Jumper. Cliff Jumper is Bumblebee's friend. Even though what you could do is think you could take this off, then probably you could. Oh! Look! Works! Cliff Jumper's weapons works on Bumblebees. I don't know how that works. Let's put it back on Cliff Jumper. I don't know how that works. Oh yeah, I know, because you see that little hole. Like Cliff Jumper video and make sure to click onto the like button and subscribe. Bye!